In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw Bitcoin from Binance to Trust Wallet. If you have some Bitcoin in your Binance and you love to withdraw it to your Trust Wallet, what you're going to do right now, open your Trust Wallet right now, right? Open your Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. Come on here, click on this Manage Crypto. Make sure this is turned on, right? So I'm going to click on it. I'll turn it on. And if you click on this, if you click on that receipt, you're going to be able to copy your Bitcoin address, right? Now open your Binance, click on this, come on here, type in BTC, right? Click on it. If you have some Bitcoin right on your Binance and you love to withdraw, just click on this, right? Okay, I think you're gonna go back. Click on transfer. Yeah, I think. Just wait for this to load up now. Okay. I think, okay, so let me use send. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna use send, right? So click on chain. So come on here, type in BTC, right? So yeah, this is it. This is what we're gonna do. So click on network, click on Bitcoin, right? Let it be Bitcoin. Come on here, paste your paste your Bitcoin Trust Wallet address here, right? Then select the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. Once you're done, click on the withdraw. You do the verification. Yeah, you're gonna get your Bitcoin here on your Trust Wallet, right? If it's the address you copied. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you all in the next video.